Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming, a rambling video, first week of December. I am going to be a bit sporadic with the scheduling of this week and next week due to the fact that finals are here. And then after finals, I have a like 3 week break. Then spring starts, and I have my last semester for my spring to get my Associate of Science finally. 36 years old, getting an AS at once. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and check Cult 3D. I'm gonna add in some more AI 3D generator. I'll probably show it tomorrow once I post everything up for it. Yeah, so yeah, finals are due when this video's up. I'll be programming a CNC machine on Mastercam that I hate so much. I do not know why it's uh, being a huge butt right now, but I'm probably going to have to fix all the mistakes at school because too much frustration spending hours on it. And you got to a good place, and then you end up, and you only got to do a few things, and you reopen it, everything's fucked up. For then I got a test for NIMS. I got to get the certification for NIMS multiple choice test on Thursday and next week Tuesday. Then 3 weeks break. Um, then a lot more shit's gonna be happening, like putting up all the baby stuff together, cleaning this whole office up. I'll be actually putting a lot of these figures up for sale on eBay. I just feel like my kid will destroy it at a certain age because I remember when my parents told me, it doesn't matter how high it is, I have the mentality to get it done, and I got it done and break it. So has my blood. So my son will probably gonna break my shit, and I've had to lock this door until he gets a certain age, and this will be his room to do whatever he wants with, I guess. But yeah, we are doing Curse of Strahd campaign. I don't know if you guys want me to actually stream this or like record it and make a video for it. This is 3.5 version of the 5th edition, but this one is probably more hefty and more information than the one in 5th edition. 5th edition is more dumbed down with more tasks you gotta do. 3.5 is pretty much the same, but a lot more and more depth in the story and so forth as well. If you guys want me to do that, please let me know down in the comments below. We just started it last week. One combat lasted for like 3 hours. It only should last 30 minutes, but I have players that likes to piss me off. So I already made new rule. You have 1 minute to decide, and if you can't decide within that minute, you're skipped. And if you're going to talk over me and stuff like that, I mute you until it's your turn. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna have to do it. It is a campaign that it takes a long time, and I'm trying to get stuff done as as efficiently as possible in many ways. Um, other than that, there's not even really nothing much for me to talk much about. It's just finals is killing me, and so yeah, I'm gonna be working on that when I am in class, try to get that done. And I got another final to do, and uh, I have some kind of measurement class for spring, and the other half of NIMS, and I'm done, and I graduate, and I'll be working part time or full time because my GI Bill money is gonna run out in about a 1 month. I have 1 month and 17 days left, so it's gonna run out either I like it or not. So I am going to have to get a job and make up for that money to take care of my kid for it. Well, anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time.